Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a very quick and easy supper, which is baked fish. Before following up my ingredients, I preheated my oven to 165. Here I have 400 gram of hake fillet, of which I cut into 4 pieces. Thereafter I have slices of lemon, half a teaspoon of garlic salt, half a teaspoon of crushed chilies, and 2 cubes of butter, which is 40 gram each. Then I'm going to use a grain of salt, a grain of pepper, and a sprinkle of paprika, and a splash of olive oil, and a few sprigs of dill. Now I'm going to show you how I prepare my fish for the oven. Firstly, I'm going to work on my countertop. Here I have a piece of foil. Then using my lemon slices, I'm going to place them onto the foil. And then my hake, of which I'm going to put the skin down. I will quickly wash my hand before I continue. I'm going to add a lot of flavor to my fish, but it will still be mild. So to these pieces of fish, I have my garlic salt, of which I'm just going to sprinkle a pinch on each, and then my crushed chilies, thereafter I'm going to just give a grain salt on both, a grain of pepper, and thereafter a splash of olive oil, if you are using an oily fish like salmon, so you can skip the olive oil, a sprinkle of paprika on each, thereafter I'm going to use 1 block of the butter by putting 2 pieces. Then I'm going to add my dill, which is 4 sprigs, so I'm going to put in 2 on either. To this I'm going to form a pocket. This will be airtight, so it will allow the fish to steam in this pocket. I'll take this and place it upon my baking tray. Now I'm going to repeat the next 2 pieces of fish. I've cut my 2 pockets of fish, which will go into the oven to bake. Now I'm ready to pop it into the oven for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, I will prepare some mash for the serving and we'll show you when we get done. 20 minutes has passed and I'm ready to take my fish out from the oven. This is smelling so good. I'm just going to open one of the packet and show you all how it's done. There you go. Now I'm ready to serve my baked fish. There you go, your lovely baked fish served with some nice mashed potatoes, and I used up the lemon butter to garnish the fish on top as a sauce. You can serve this with some nice salad or some garlic rolls, and plus you can use any type of fish, long as it's nice and fresh. This is a quick and easy recipe. For sure your children will definitely enjoy. And Pranesh will link the mashed potatoes to the recipe. Thank you all very much for watching and enjoy.